Welcome to Koper. Koper was the most important town of Istria for no less than half a century. Feel the turbulent past and liveliness of the modern Mediterranean town. Take a walk through the most beautiful town square between Venice and Dubrovnik. In addition to exceptional architecture, Koper is also characterized by students. They come to the university town to seek new knowledge and discover the town's cultural treasures. There is sea in the air everywhere. No wonder. The town is located on a former island that joined with the land. The streets and squares teem with youth and history. Experience Mediterranean Istria during a relaxing walk along the coast or at a lively open-air market. Summers are long and warm, and mild winters bring only a strong northeast wind. The warm sea in the bay invites bathing and recreation. It is perfect for relaxation in all seasons of the year. You can make a lovely visit by bike or passenger boat. Moor on the coast like a fisherman, enjoy the town streets or take a trip in the diverse surrounding area. Sea salt, olive oil and wine co-created the rich history of Koper. Now they season the flavors of excellent Istrian cuisine and gastronomic pleasures. Take a step outside the town to watch the birds in the calm of the Škocjanski Zatok Nature Reserve. Take a walk along the brackish lagoon and the freshwater marsh. Roaming around the fascinating streets of Koper offers an opportunity for shopping. Koper pulsates and attracts with numerous events. It is where visitors from all around the world feel well, as do culture fans, athletes, families, youth of all ages. Koper, a microcosm of Istria, awaits you in the midst of aquamarine waves. Invites you to experience Istria. Koper, a microcosm of Istria.